out there, and welcome back to my channel. I am Cold Fire, and today I am going to be reacting to none other than the Eurythmics, which featured Annie Lennox as the main vocalist with Dave Stewart. And this one is a really great song and brings back a lot of memories as well. I'm reacting to songs today that have a special place in my heart for certain reasons when I was going through things. And this is another one. I just reacted to Mariah Carey's song Vanishing, which takes me back to a certain place. This one does as well, but I'm going to react to it because I've never seen the video. I've always heard the song, and it's a very emotional song to me. But I want to see, how you respond to it. And let's just take it away. that was the incredible Eurythmics, Annie Lennox and Dave Stewart. Here Comes the Rain Again. And you can just see how powerful her voice is. Her vocals are just phenomenal. And she's always known for doing great videos. And she's also known for, you know, having songs that are very, very symbolic. You know, I guess she's talking about a lover that she's trying to connect to, but every time she does, here comes the rain again. And I guess the rain is representing an interruption in those things that she wants to get back with her lover. And I'm trying to think of the word. Metaphorically, I guess is the right word to say. How she uses the phrase, here comes the rain again, falling on my head like a new emotion. So it's basically, she's trying to get back that great feeling, but the rain brings back too many emotions. And this is why I love this song so much. And I think that it is, you know, right there on the tops with some of their greatest songs. They made a lot of great songs in their, you know, lifetime. And this one is my favorite out of the Eurythmics songs, other than Sweet Dreams. I don't think I've reacted to that one yet, but that one's another good song. But I do hope that you enjoyed this reaction video as much as I did reacting to it and seeing what it was all about. And I will see you on the next song that I react to. Have a great day. Love you. Bye-bye.